Most drivers think a standard dashcam is enough to protect them on the road. But what happens when an accident or break-in happens outside your camera's field of view? Imagine having complete coverage of your car from front, rear, and inside at all times. This is where the Vantrue E360 Plus 3-channel dashcam steps in. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down automotive tech so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're diving into the Vantrue E360 Plus, a triple-channel 360-degree dashcam designed to capture your front, rear, and cabin simultaneously in ultra-sharp 2.7K resolution. At its core, the E360 Plus offers professional-grade 210-degree plus 200-degree plus 165-degree wide-angle lenses, giving you virtually no blind spots while driving or parked. It promises crystal-clear footage day or night with dual STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, WDR, and 8 IR lights for full night vision coverage. Its dual-system GPS logs accurate location, live speed, and routes, which is invaluable if you ever need evidence for insurance claims. You can also access, manage, and share recordings via 5 GHz Wi-Fi through the Vantrue app, and optional LTE connectivity allows real-time remote monitoring of your vehicle. Let's highlight the key features that really stand out. First, the triple-channel recording ensures complete 360 degrees coverage, eliminating blind spots whether you're commuting or leaving your car parked. Second, the dual STARVIS 2 sensors with HDR and IR night vision guarantee sharp, clear footage even in complete darkness, giving you peace of mind around the clock. Third, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi and dual GPS system not only make file management effortless, but also provide precise tracking data for safety or dispute purposes. And lastly, the optional LTE support turns your dashcam into a remote watchdog, letting you monitor your vehicle in real time. Pros: ultra-wide triple-channel coverage, excellent night vision, dual GPS tracking, versatile recording modes, and optional LTE for remote monitoring. Cons: full potential requires hardwiring and optional LTE module, which adds to cost and installation complexity. Some users report the touchscreen can be a bit small for detailed navigation. Compared to competitors like Blackview DR900X3CH and Thinkware U1000-3CH, the E360 Plus holds its own with slightly better cabin coverage and more versatile recording modes, though the Blackview edges it out in cloud connectivity and Thinkware in advanced driver assistance features. Price-wise, Vantrue is competitive, offering a strong balance of features without leaning too far into premium pricing. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and want to keep your car covered from every angle without missing a beat, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's keep your dashcam knowledge fully charged. The build quality is solid, with a magnetic front camera, adjustable ball joint bracket, and adhesive mounts that hold firmly in place. The materials and construction suggest long-term reliability, and Vantrue's track record plus 18-month warranty provide added reassurance. While I haven't tested long-term durability personally, expert reviews and user feedback indicate this is a trustworthy investment. Customer support is generally responsive, and firmware updates are periodically released to improve performance and add features. Who is this for? Daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone serious about complete vehicle protection will benefit most. Less ideal for drivers who want a plug-and-play solution without hardwiring or optional modules. Verdict: strong option. If you value 360-degree coverage, reliable night vision, and the option for LTE monitoring, the Vantrue E360 Plus is one of the stronger choices in its class. For buyers on a tighter budget, simpler dual-channel dashcams like the Vantrue N4 Pro S are worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out the Vantrue E360 Plus, links are in the comments box and description. Have questions or already own one? Drop your thoughts below. Until next time, stay automated and keep your rides fully covered.